In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make $100 per day on YouTube without making any videos. So you don't need to record your face. You don't need to have your own product or anything like that. So just make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notifications to be notified when I release more videos like this. And now without further ado, let's get straight into this training. Alright, so the first step is actually joining the affiliate network. Which is ClickBank right here. Come over to clickbank.com and create you a free account. We basically have a bunch of different informational products that you can come over and promote absolutely free. All you do is just come over to clickbank.com, click on create an account right here. And then it's 3 simple steps that you got to fill out. Your personal information, you got your banking information, then your account information. And from there, you'll be good to go. Once you got your account all set up, next thing you want to do is go to the affiliate marketplace so you can find a product to promote. Now, normally what I do is just come straight to the marketplace and click on the search button so you can bring up all the products. That's one way of doing it. Another way you can find a product to promote is sorting by gravity. Gravity is basically this number right here. As you can see, this product, Cinderella Solution, has a gravity of 382. That basically means this is 382 different affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this product, and you get paid $35 on average per sale, which is not bad, but that's not the offer we're going to use in this video. I already got the offer that we're going to use, but another way I want to show you how you can find the offer is just sorting out through categories. If you already know basically what you want to promote, and the product that we're going to be using in this video is inside the sports niche. Let me see if I can find it right away. Here it is right here, the vertical jump training. Let me open that in a new tab. Pays out $41 per sale, has a gravity of 30. So it's 30 different affiliates who recently made a sale promoting this. And they also have a rebuild. A rebuild is basically upsells, subscriptions, and things like that you can make even more profit off of from just generating one sale, which is great. And this is what the sales page look like. This is a vertical jump training program for basketball players or anybody that's interested in increasing their leap. And like I say, I always recommend whenever you're checking out a product to promote, check out the sales page. If it's something that you would buy from, that's normally a great sign. As you can see, I got a bunch of testimonials from people purchasing the program. Nice overview. They got some familiar faces in the industry as well on this product. So this is definitely a product that's been popular on ClickBank for years now. And this is what we're going to be using throughout the rest of the tutorial. I recommend you come check it out fully, just to get a feel for the program. Now, the next thing we need to do is come over to YouTube. And I definitely recommend everybody go and create a YouTube channel if you haven't already. But for example, since we are promoting a vertical jump training program, what you want to do, we're going to have to create content based around vertical jump training. So that way we can recommend this product to them. So say, for instance, vertical jump training. I think I spelled it wrong. Yeah, vertical jump training. As you can see, as you start typing in more relevant keywords, so you can see vertical jump training. We could go down to vertical jump training, basketball. Let's see, vertical jump training. Oh, you know what? How to increase vertical jump. Boom. Now you got all these different content ideas that you can use for your video. So you can create a video on how to increase vertical jump at home, how to increase vertical jump for volleyball, for basketball, to dunk in 1 week, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do is come down, how to increase vertical jump for basketball. You could go at home, or I can just leave it like this. I want to see what the search results bring up. And as you can see, the highest video for this keyword got 479,000 views. You know it went viral because the channel only has, as you can see right here, using the vidIQ Chrome extension, which is free to download, the channel only has 15.8 thousand subscribers. So that means the video went viral past the subscriber amount, because a lot of times people, videos normally have, channels this size, 16,000 subscribers, and normally probably get 2,000 or 3,000 views if it was all organic and didn't go viral. But this video went viral and it got almost 500,000 views. So what you want to do is create content similar to this, similar to this and things like that. But like I said, you don't have to get on video. You don't have to record your face. You don't even need your own product. We already found a product. Now I need to show y'all how to create content completely free and that you can use to promote on your YouTube channel. So with that keyword in mind, we can go back to our YouTube notes that we're going to be referencing back and forth throughout the rest of this tutorial. But this is the keyword that we're gonna go after: how to increase vertical jump from basketball. Now all we need to do is come up with content. So you might be wondering, how the heck are we gonna do that if we're not getting no video, we're not paying nobody to do it or anything like that? So what I'm gonna do is show y'all this software called Content Samurai. Matter of fact, I should open it in a new tab so you can check it out. But Content Samurai comes with a free 7-day trial where you could basically, all you have to do is either write your own script or find an article online to import into here, and they handle the rest for you. So what I'm gonna do is find an article related to vertical jump training so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But this comes with a 7-day free trial. Literally all you have to do is just enter your name and email. You can get started making these videos, and this is what the home will look like. So you see, create a new video. I already found the article, and all we need to do is pick a template that we can use. So what I want to do is scroll down. Another thing that will help too is picking a template, that resonates with the offer. So this offer is yellow and black. I might want to use a yellow template. You don't really have to, but I thought that would be nice. Now, like I said, all you have to do is find or create your own create your own video script so they can come up with it together. Now they come up with all the scenes for you, the videos, as well as a voice to use. So you don't have to record your voice. And here's the article that I found for vertical jump training. So all you got to do is just copy this all the way down to the bottom. Let's see. You can copy it all the way to right here and import it inside of Content Samurai. Paste it, delete the extra stuff. And normally I just change this out and telling them to go to my link instead of whatever they talking about. But just for time's sake, we can just create scenes for the video. And boom, they about to create the scenes. Completely done for you. You get to see right here, Jumpstart Essential in Basketball if you're looking for ways to increase your vertical jump. Now, another great thing is how they come up with the video scenes is they basically take the keywords out of the article and find relevant videos to it. So as you can see, I can change it out, maybe import a basketball clip instead. Boom. As you see, a total of 47 scenes, so you can just check out all 47 if you want to. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm not about to go through all 47. Just wanted to show y'all basically how the software works. And once you're happy with everything, just go all the way to the bottom and click on Add a Voice Track. That's what I was saying earlier. You can use it music only. You can add auto voice, which is what we're gonna use, or you can use your own voice track if you wanted to. But we're gonna go with auto voice and use the Harry.
Hi, my name is Harry, and I would love to read the script.
Now they got a bunch of them that you can use. It's the main one, I guess me and everybody else use. They use the software, and then from there you can preview your video. So while that's loading, we can actually go to our YouTube notes and create a title, sample description, and tags and things like that. So the keyword that we was aiming for was how to increase vertical jump for basketball. So to give y'all some basic pointers on how to write a title, use the keyword that you're trying to rank for. You want to put that first. How to increase. I like to capitalize the first letter in every word. How to increase vertical jump for basketball. Boom. Then you can add maybe a dash and say, if the video, if this article had, let's say, how many tips is in here? Let's just say 7 tips. 7 easy, oops, I messed up. 7 easy tips to do at home. For example, this is the type of title I would use, and then the first line in my description, I always have my affiliate link, a call to action with my affiliate link. So we have to go back to ClickBank to get our tracking link, so that way when we get sales, they know to credit it to us. Or you just go back to the offer, click on promote, put in your account nickname, generate hop links. Boom, that's the link you want to use. But we are not done because that link is too long and it's ugly. So what you can do is go to tiny.cc, paste the URL and get a shortened version of it so it don't look, sorry, this URL is not allowed. You can request, let's see. Okay, so maybe the hop link, they're not allowing hop links right now, but it was just recently. So you can just use, the actual, this ugly link if you wanted to, but there's other websites that you can use. Just wasn't prepared for that. So say for instance, we could say to increase, you know what, let's go back to the offer page. Let's see. add 15, we can say add 9 to 15 inches to your vertical jump in less than 8 weeks. So we can use that as our call to action. Our call to action is basically telling them exactly what to do. That's all it really means. So add 9 to 15 inches to your vertical jump in less than 8 weeks. And then we can add an arrow. So what I like to do, go to emojipedia.org. And we can do a right arrow. So here he is. From there, you just click on copy, paste that right there. And from there, all we got to do is add our affiliate link. And we're pretty much good to go. So we go back to ClickBank, generate hop links, copy, close, and I can pretty much paste it. And the rest of it, now you don't want to just put this in the description and just leave it like that. Normally I would add like I just basically make like a summary of the video that they watching. That's all I really do. So another thing I'd probably do is just take the first paragraph of this article, use that, and you can leave the article source if you want to, but it's not that big of a deal. Then tags, what I like to do is go back to the keyword that we're trying to rank for and look at the top video and basically just copy the tags of that video. And the only way, I ain't gonna say the only way you can do that, but the way I do it is downloading that Chrome extension that I mentioned earlier. vidIQ literally takes a few seconds to do. I feel like everybody that's doing affiliate marketing on YouTube should have this already. But you just come over here, download the extension, go to the video, and
if you live in the Southfield,
on the right side, right here, you see the video tags, and you can just copy it. So let's go back to our note file for the tags. Boom, we can paste it there. So once the video is done, which is probably done already, okay, perfect. So now we can preview it so you can see.
Jumps are essential in basketball, and if you're looking for ways to increase your vertical jump, then you're in need of exercises that will strengthen your leg muscles and increase the flexibility.
So that's just a little preview of the thing. Y'all can almost tell how the rest of it is going to be, but this is a very value-packed video. That's 2 minutes and 47 seconds long. So once you find out everything, you just click on looks good, continue. It's going to generate your file, and boom. Once it's done downloading, you can just download it to your computer and take that exact file and upload it onto YouTube along with these tags, the description, and this title. Now the last thing you'll have to do is make a thumbnail. So for a thumbnail for this, I would just search basketball. I'm on this website called Pexels where you can download free, royalty-free images that you can use. And let's say, for instance, I want to use this. I'll open this in a new tab. Click on save. Vertical, we can name it vertical jump. Save this to my computer. Now, next thing you can do is come over to canva.com. It's like another Photoshop, but for free. Click on create a design, YouTube thumbnail. Now, next thing I want to do is upload that picture that I just downloaded from Pexels into Canva. So give me 1 second. All right, so now I got the video uploaded. It's probably not the best picture, being that it's more vertical. So what I do is just stretch it out. So maybe like this. I want to go half of the picture. Maybe move it to this side. And then what I could do as well is add some text. Increase your vertical jump. Let's go back. Let's rearrange it. Maybe you can leave it like this. Stretch it out a little more. So the keyword at hand is how to increase vertical jump. How to increase. So we can blow the font up a little more. You know what? We can knock it down. How to increase. We could duplicate it. Say your vertical jump. 42. Looks good. How to increase your vertical jump. Duplicate it one more time. Let's go back for basketball. Very, very basic template that you can use. And let's blow the font up a little more to stretch it out. 48. Maybe let's do 50. All right, so 50 works. I hate this font; it's killing me. So let me do Beavis. Okay, boom. Now let's do maybe 64. Blow it up some more. 80, maybe 88. All right, that's perfect. Same thing. Change the font. Oh, dang it. Beavis. Vertical jump. So let's see. 80. Nope. Got that. Take this down a little more. Bring this one down. And bring this one down. So now, last one. Boom. Maybe increase this to 88 as well. Perfect. How to increase your vertical jump in basketball. You can literally leave it like this. It's a very basic one. You can just click on download right here. 100% free. Now you got your whole entire file. You got your thumbnail that you can use. You got your title. You got your description. You got your tags and the keyword that you want to rank for. Good thing about creating videos on YouTube versus other traffic sources, other ways for you to get views. So even if you upload the video exactly how I just demonstrated it, you might not rank on the first page, things like that. So this video, like I said, already went viral. This video is huge. 5 years ago, got 1 million views. So you're probably not gonna rank for this keyword just because of the competition. And I want to show y'all basically other ways you can get views. There's 2 other ways. So you got the homepage views. So people that's interested in vertical jump for basketball, YouTube keep track of everything like that. And if your video is high quality but just hasn't went viral yet, they might include your video on the trending, featured, and things like that. This is the homepage. And then another way you can get views is actually through the related tab. So if your video, like I said, if you copy the tags of a viral video, there's a high chance that your video can come into the related section, which is right here. It'll be either on the up next or all the way right here. It's a ton of different videos. So that's, like I said, that's the great thing about YouTube. Even if you don't get the search rankings right here in the top 3 or top 5 or even top 10 spots, you can get views from the home page as well as the related section on the right hand side. Now it's more, like I said, it's just basically a general overview on how to rank YouTube videos or how to create videos for passive income to promote ClickBank products, but it's definitely more to it that I cannot leave inside this video. But if you want to learn exactly step by step in detail how to do this stuff to make a full-time passive income, I definitely recommend you go check out my YouTube passive income course by clicking the first link in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I reply to everybody. Make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on post notifications for more videos like this. And that's all I got for this one. I'll see y'all in the next one.